Okay, everybody, I am starting my next project here on the Beast. It is my 12 pod rock lights. This has been a long time coming. I had another set and don't know what happened to them, so I ordered another set. Got a great deal on them, and I'm gonna be installing them today. And then I think I have to order some extensions because the cords aren't quite long enough, and I'm just test fitting and putting everything into place today, and then ordering the extension wires and wiring everything up in another episode. So you see these, they'll go up under. I'm going to do one in the back, one in each wheel well, and then two under on each side, and then one up front. So we'll start the process, and let's see how it goes. Okay, everybody, I actually didn't end up having to order any extension cables. It all worked out. Not completely done. Need to finish and get some cable clips and clean everything up. Not the cleanest so far, but it's gonna do. It's pretty cool. Really. To see that as much with the light on it, but tonight I will come out and show it in full effect and show all the functions, and you guys can see how this came out. I'm pretty impressed so far, though. Okay, everybody, here is introducing the new rock lights. What does everybody think? And different modes. Now there's way more than I was running it by the remote, but the app makes you give literally hundreds and hundreds of combinations. But I'm pretty darn impressed. I'm going to leave it on green for now, because if you run blue or red, that's illegal. So tell me what you guys think. I'm actually pretty darn impressed. I'm really fucking happy with it. And can't wait to go out and show it off when we go out to do our Squaresville Christmas light parade tour that we do. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.